start with an easy one. Start with this one. Good boy. Good boy. Cow. Good boy. Orange. Good boy. What's that, Ethan? Juice. Good boy. What's this word, Ethan? Fish. Good boy. What's this word, Ethan? Dog. Good boy. What's this word? Car. That's right. What is this word? No, don't be silly. What's this word? No, don't just say silly words. You started it. What is it? Mirror. Good boy.